Welcome to the ads section of Play, where you can launch expert ads on a budget without any experience required and in just a few taps. Play takes care of all the hard stuff for you, so you can launch ads on Instagram, YouTube, Google Search, find influencers, and more. Knowing which platforms to promote your brand can be extremely difficult, but Play recommends platforms for you based on the information that you provided during your onboarding flow. You can get started in just a tap, like if you want to find micro-influencers to promote your brand. And Play doesn't just make digital marketing easy, it makes it better. The latest best practices and new features in digital marketing are always changing, and staying on top of them can be a nightmare. That's why we regularly update Play to include the best practices so you can add these and use them in just a tap. Let's take a look at the playbook, because I think this will really help a lot of people who are just starting out on their digital marketing experience. This is almost like a game, so you can easily switch between different levels of a playbook, follow the steps, and grow your brand. We take care of all the settings for you. It's very similar to launch campaigns across Google Search, Display, Find Influencers, YouTube ads, and more. Why don't we just start by creating a Facebook ad like the pros, and I'll just show you how easy it is with Play in just a few taps. So all you have to do is add your website, and then you can choose your page. Everyone knows that targeting in Facebook ads is one of the most important things, but it's also one of the most complex things. But with Play, this takes the burden off your shoulders. You can easily create a marketing audience in just a tap through Play. Or you can select one of your pre-built audiences that you already have in Facebook ads. Or you can choose to target interests. Just enter your search term like cats, and you can easily select a list of Facebook interests to target. And you can easily scroll through a list of different targeting options related to pets. So you can even choose something like animal welfare. And this is great for targeting new users, whereas choosing your marketing audience will help you get other customers who have been to your site to buy, because it takes an average of 7 site visits before any customer is ready to buy on your site. So that's why remarketing is good. So now that you have your audience, let's add some creative images. All we have to do is hit the plus icon, and you can choose to add images from your camera roll or from your Facebook ads account. You can add up to 4 different images. And once you add your images from your camera roll or Facebook ads, just hit resize, and you can zoom in or zoom out to target the area of the picture that you want to include in your ad. And then once it's right for you, you want to make sure you hit select, or you can add more images. And it's good if you can to add more than one image, because Play will use AI to rotate these images so it shows the best one to the best person at the right time. Now it's time to write our ad text. We're just going to write several headlines and several lines of promotional text to talk about our offer or about our product. And you can write one line of text, or you can click the add button right below each section. And this will really take the pressure off yourself. Think of it as automated A/B testing. You don't have to create as many ad groups or campaigns as you did before. Now we're almost done. We just need to choose a location to target for our ads. We can choose anywhere in the world, like we can target something like San Diego, or we can target California, or all of the United States. Once you just scroll through the list and select your option, you want to make sure that you check the box. And now we've made it to the final step. This really only took us 4 steps to get here to launch an expert Facebook ad campaign. Now we can select any budget we want, from anywhere from $1 a day to $100 a day. So select your budget and launch your campaign. Please note, uploading this to Facebook ads can take up to 30 seconds depending on your Wi-Fi connection or your cellular device. As soon as the campaign's created, you're taken to the results section of Play. Here you can see all of your campaigns, and all in one place. So you can tap on the edit icon if you want to customize the name of this campaign so it's more easy to find. So you can do anything like cat, because this is kind of what we promoted in this last promotion campaign for Facebook. You can tap on any of the results to see how they're doing and get an easy breakdown throughout your funnel as far as how that promotion is helping your business grow. And that's how you can easily launch an expert Facebook ad with no experience required. But first, what you want to do is connect to your Google Ads or Facebook Ads account. So all you have to do is select connect, choose your email that has access to a Google Ads account, and then you can select the account that email has access to. So you can easily switch between all of your Google Ads accounts in just a few taps. You can also connect to your Facebook Ads account with the same process.